It was the Sabha that offered to hive off its medical service department into a separate trust in the year 1973 and bestowed upon it a seed capital, its independence, and a seed capital of over 50,000 rupees, which was a big sum in those days. And in their wisdom, the founders of this trust said in the trust deed that the majority of the trustees have to be doctors. It is also written in the trust deed, Mr. Kamal, that the president of the trust shall always be a doctor. So, I think this is probably unique among any medical trust in the city of Mumbai. And I believe this has played a great role in offering quality medical services to the people and in the success of the trust. Being run by doctors, we would know what is the best from the patient's point of view and not really from doing publicity or just doing word of mouth service. And that is embodied in our motto. Our motto is building trust through quality healthcare. And that's what we have done. We have offered continuously quality medical services at very reasonable rates. And even for those who cannot afford these reasonable rates, we have Arogya Nidhi Fund, which does all the diagnosis, the investigations, the consultations, and even the treatment for those who are below the poverty line. And I think hundreds of patients have benefited from this. We have now completed 50 golden years. And although we started with one small unit in premises given to us by Swamiji at Dwarkanath Mutt, without any rent, I remember that. We today exist in 5 locations in Mumbai, and we have over 7,000 square feet of service area, and we have 200 doctors who are serving the people throughout the city. And these are specialists of various kinds. I will not go into that list. We have all specialties, you name it, we have it. Right from a neurologist to an oncosurgeon to a neurosurgeon to even a general pediatrician and a general practitioner. There are various specialties. We offer pathological tests, dental and imaging services. We have a physiotherapy with now expanded services to include complete rehabilitation for neurological cases, orthopedic cases and so on. We have endoscopy facilities, we work for mental health, and we offer so many other allied services. Too many to name. We also have a special focus on preventive health. We do health checks, we have a tobacco de-addiction program, and we do education of doctors as well as the public on various fora. I think in our 50 years of service, we have touched and helped to improve the common citizens of Mumbai on over 2 million occasions. It was Sir Isaac Newton who said, if I have seen further, it's because I have stood on the shoulders of giants. I gratefully recall the hard work and the dedication of all the previous trustees, the various committee members and staff who have served the trust through 50 years. And I really beg your pardon that I will not take any names. There are so many of them, and I know I'm standing between you and dinner. So, without taking any names, there are really too many to name. People who have really put their heart and soul right from the beginning, and which has brought us to this place today. And I must record that the trust has been really fortunate to have continuously had a band of workers who have served as trustees, members of various committees, who have devoted their time and energy to bring us where we are today. I am glad to acknowledge also the presence of many of them here in the audience today. Modern medicine is a science that relies on technology.